brush in the morning. Cover your mouth, little girl, stop the yarning. Crackers and tea, no bread food this morning. Take out the chimney, not that she pan mash gym. Cause if you do it, me go give you some rasting. Mitzi!
A few minutes later.
Christ, I want me get this ghost in peace bed grand picking him from Jesus. Can't take him no more. I'm everything. I'm kill him now. Get up, out of me bed. I'm tired of you little girl. You coming like crosses. Like it never set you upon me. Get up. Smell them. Jesus, man. Jesus, get up.
I'm tired.
Come out of my bed. Come out of my bed and go look for your careless parents. Them. Where can you run country? Come left you up your palm. I don't like your carry on. Come out! Oi! Ready up. Me say, prep my glasses there. Come, pray up your bed.